Hello everyone. Ayan. Harvest time na kami. Mga apo ko nagka-harvest. Yung mga, yan, Brian. Oh, lalaki. Yeah.
Look how big is this one.
Yeah, it's big Brian. Oh, lagay mo dyan sa container natin. Basket. Oh, ayan. Harvest time na. Let me see. Yeah, it's okay, Brian. Put it there. You don't have to take it off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just
Put it there.
off.
Yan, marami na kaming, yan. Big one, Brian. Yeah, yan.
Keep breaking them.
Yan, oh, marami ng bunga. Yan, yeah. Put it in the basket, Brian.
That's how you do it.
Wow, dami ng bunga, oh. Yan, magha-harvest na kami. Ano,
This
Brian?
is not good, right?
You can take it off. Because
This one?
it's miracle.
It's good.
Yeah, this one.
It's easy to peel off.
Yeah, this one too,
Is it
Brian.
very
Yeah.
big?
Yeah, this one. Da. Yeah, pwede mong pan. Bring the basket here, Brian. Yeah, malaki. Yeah.
I keep breaking them. There.
Mm.
It's in place.
Yeah, yung malaki, Brian. Yeah.
You don't
Yeah,
have
pwede
to
na
break
yan.
them.
Yeah. Oh,
Wait,
yan.
here.
Yeah, that one's big. And long. Ay. Dito pa, yan. Yeah, maliit pa yan, Brian.
That's
Ay, it's okay. Yeah.
this one.
Yeah. That's one.
Oh no, I dropped it
Where's the
in
other
the
one?
dirt.
So, oh.
So,
Yan. Kunin mo.
these two.
Oh. Ay. Oh, here. This side. Brian. Ay. Be careful at mabubunot mo yung maliliit na kwan, saka yung bulaklak. Yan. Tagahawak ka na nga lang, Brian. Mas mabilis si Brian mag-pick. Dito pa, Brian.
This one
Yan.
is just
Still small. This one. At the bottom. See, ay, maraming bunga doon sa baba. Oh.
yeah.
Yan.
That one.
Yan.